Hey friends, if you wish to turn on user account control on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Though I usually keep it off for my home computer, but if you're using a public computer, you may want to turn it on. Or if you have kids in the family, you may want to turn it on. So search for UAC in the Windows search bar and click on change user account control settings. Now in my case, it's off, which means that the never notify option has been selected and it's at the absolute bottom. If you increase it at one level, it would mean that it would notify only when apps try to make changes to the computer. The next one is that it will notify when the apps try to make your changes to the computer, but that's the default one. And the highest one and the strictest one is even when you try to make changes to Windows settings. And then you can click on OK to save the settings. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.